Hi, I'm Jason Barrow, Athletics Manager for the City of Denton Parks and Recreation. We're out here today at South Lakes Park to celebrate the opening of our two newest tennis courts. So the existing courts didn't have lights or windscreens, and they are in desperate need of resurfacing, which is something that the Parks Department is currently working on. With high demand from the surrounding neighborhood, there was a need for two additional courts. The two new ones do have windscreens, they do have lights. There are yellow lines painted in the middle of the court, so if you come out here, you can play pickleball. The net may be a little bit higher than a standard pickleball, but you can come out and play and enjoy the courts, whether you're playing pickleball, tennis, whatever it may be, and get some great exercise. These courts are open to the public at any time. We do have a company that the city contracts with, Bad Dog Tennis, and from time to time you will see them out here teaching a class, teaching a private lesson, whatever it may be. During the pandemic, we saw the use of our parks grow exponentially, especially in tennis, because it was one of the few outdoor spaces where people could naturally distance. Participation in tennis has grown substantially over the last 2 years, and we're hoping to see that continue. For more information, you can always visit our website at dentonparks.com and search for all of our athletic events. Put in the keyword tennis, you're going to find all of our tennis programs that we offer.